again.
Hello.
How are you today? I said that last time, and it's the same day for us. Different day for you.
Different day, different time. So you might notice the camera's kind of in a weird angle,
Yes.
but I figured we'd test out a little something and maybe kind of all do a craft together. So right about now would be a good time to either hit pause or
not
take your phone.
pause yet because you got to tell them what they got to get.
Well, that's what I'm going to tell them now. I'm
Well,
going
if
to tell
they
them.
pause it now, they won't hear it.
Now would be a good time to hit pause and go gather these items.
After she tells you what items.
If you get a piece of paper and a handful of colored pencils or markers, it doesn't matter. They just need to be different colors. And that's basically all you're going to need. So I'm going to talk a little slow just in case if somebody isn't hitting pause and they're just going to gather these things. But when you come back with these items, we're going to be doing 10-second intervals of drawing. So you're going to just start with your paper. We're going to say ready, set, go. Grab colored pencil without thinking. Start doing something. Whatever you're going to do. That doesn't matter. That's completely up to you. And then every time you hear ding, we're going to throw the pencil down, pick a new one up. Throw the pencil down, pick a new one up. So in 10-second intervals, we're going to keep changing the colors, and we're all going to make something.
We're going to draw a picture?
Mm-hmm. It could be
I feel pressure.
It could be an actual, you could try to draw something like a cat. You could just do abstract color scribbling.
Oh, okay.
You could literally do whatever you want. That's the whole point of this, is it's just open draw.
Yes.
And then if people seem to like this concept and you would like to email us whatever you have done when you're done drawing, or if you want to try it again with your family and whatever, email us pictures. Maybe we'll even do a little slideshow of what everybody's doing.
Yeah, if we get enough pictures of what you guys do.
And we have this one and another idea of what to do for an artsy thing. So we'll start with this.
It's kind of like us all hanging out in the living room doing stuff together.
We do a lot of craft days together.
That's what we do. Yeah.
Before YouTube,
we didn't do this
was always our things. We get together, let's learn polymer clay. Let me show you how I do the Cricut. Let's learn this. So
now we just film it.
I hope by this point now you all have a piece of paper, a handful of colored pencils, and some creativity. But don't worry if you don't have.
I don't have the creativity
because you could draw a stick figure.
Because I have no idea
doesn't
what
matter.
this is.
It's art.
What am I going to do?
Well, that's the whole thing. Is like that's why I like this project for you, because you focus so much on what you're going to do.
Yeah.
Whereas I've always drawn without any idea of what was going to happen. My pen hits the paper, and we're drawing a monster day, I guess. I always let.
Monster's a good idea.
It's almost a form of divination is automatic writing. So this is going to be kind of like automatic drawing. Okay. So let's see what comes out. So everyone, gather your goods.
Get your stuff.
Put your colored pencils around. I'm going to make sure this is loud enough, but don't worry. I will also say...
We don't pick it up yet. We have to wait.
And she's so impatient. She wants to grab that colored pencil so bad.
I know. I don't know which one to grab first.
Yes.
When we're at a restaurant and I have to order something off the menu, just come back in a couple
Where's that go? No. And go. 10 seconds begins now. The nice part about this is it really, really doesn't matter. Some people are going to be scribbly. Some people are going to have an item next. And we're going to pick up this new color. And with each new thing we draw whatever we like.
This one's dull.
Well, that's too bad because you picked it up. Good thing you can pick up another one now. It's very interesting to consider how quick 10 seconds is. A wise person once told me that the length of just a second depends on what side of the bathroom you are on.
That makes sense.
Which I always appreciated that. Oh, this looks like a black eye. We're going to make a black eye next.
Oh my gosh.
10 seconds isn't long. But it's kind of fun. Oh, I was over prepared. Next. So it's amusing. Like I said, this is a way of getting yourself out of the normal, mundane, picking up something and
You know
drawing.
what I'm liking about this also is the fact that if you have like stress going on in your life right now, your heart's racing, and you have to do, this craziness.
Yeah, it's like this is a fun activity. We're going to try to maybe do some of these crafty different things, stuff that you can potentially do with your family, with your friends, at a little party. There was one we used to do where you would do the same kind of concept, but then we would each draw a line and then pass the paper. So you would draw a line, pass the paper over, draw a line, pass the paper over. And that was another fun one because you were creating art completely void of what the other person was doing, kind of trying to come up with your own idea, working off of what their image was. But yeah, so let's see how this goes.
Oh my god.
Or you're not drawing and you're just watching the two of us frantically grab pencils. Either way.
Could be doing that too.
Either way.
And this is my last one. Is this your last one?
I have been frantically grabbing and not paying attention, so
Oh,
I figure we'll do another couple of seconds.
Yeah, but I don't have any more. I have to grab another
Yeah,
thing?
you don't go back to your colors.
Oh, okay. All right.
I didn't say each one had to grab a different color. Some
Oh.
people might just not even... I haven't even been looking at my colors. I'm just grabbing. Yeah, we'll give it another couple of seconds. See what
This
we
is
come up
fun.
with. Ooh, just flipped one of my pencils off the table.
She's flipping you off.
Flipping you off the table.
Not my best artwork.
I don't even know what's happening on my page right now. It is very strange. But like I said, I tend to draw monsters. All right. Want to give it another ding or two, and then we'll see where we're
I'm
at.
done.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm done because I
Don't know what's happening. All right, we're going to give it one more ding. Final touches. After this one, last color, last ding. What do we got? We will find out. I just colored on the back of my book, but that's all right.
All right, we're
Done.
done. Oh, yours is cute.
So I made a toe person, maybe?
Cover my face so you can
Toe person?
focus in there.
Colored pencils also are not easy to see with the shiny light, but yep, so that's mine.
And don't expect much. It's kind of a funky chick.
I like the different colors though. I think that,
That's fun.
right? So that is round one of,
My gosh, I like
I don't
this
know,
idea.
let's do this sometimes. So yeah, feel free
Free
to do.
draw.
I literally went onto
Freestyle it.
YouTube and typed 10-second interval timer, and I have an hour of 10-second intervals dinging like that. So you could do it that way.
Oh,
I would have loved to use these, but somebody, I won't mention Dougal's name, eats them, and I'm down.
Dougal the Destroyer.
I only have a 10-minuter and 30 seconds. And 30 seconds would have been too long.
That's too long. Yeah, no, 10 seconds was good.
So that's going to be a
Those
fun
are
activity.
cute.
Feel free to get some. Send us pictures. Do it with your friends. Do it with your family. Another one we can do, and what I might do for this is I'm going to tell you, we're going to physically hit pause and do it, and then we'll come back and show you so you're not just watching us draw. But take your name and write it down the piece of paper, each letter, and then a sentence, a comment, something about starting with that letter. It could just be a word. It could be a few words about either your creative journey, about yourself, just whatever you want it to be.
Okay.
And we're going to have different names with sentences. And then if you want to send those in too, we can have a pretty nice
Yeah.
slideshow. Or if you want to send it and you don't want to be in the slideshow, but you want us to see what you did, let us know.
You could do that too, yeah. Just let us know.
Why wouldn't you want to be in our slideshow?
Yeah.
So yeah, we're going to hit pause and...
We're doing that now?
Yeah.
Oh,
So write your
okay.
name down the side of a paper. You don't have to do it now. I'm saying we're
know
going to
what
hit
you mean.
pause and then we're going to do it.
Do we do it in
So-
block letters? Or does it
Any
make a
kind of
difference?
letters you want.
Okay.
We'll be back. And we are back.
We're back.
So we took a second to make our name vertical word thing and realized that I kind of didn't follow my own directions and went random. So I just did sentences.
And
They're not very pretty written.
I did words.
So for mine, like for R, I said refresh your soul. Universal understanding and equality. It wasn't until I finished writing the word universal that I could have just written understanding, because that also starts with a U.
Oh, well, that's two.
Something to pull you out of your comfort box. Have fun in being creative. For my T, I wrote to the hanger, grab the yard pickles.
Yard pickles.
And you matter. That's my wine.
Oh, look at that.
You matter.
All right, so I interpreted this a little differently, and I used my actual name, Ginny, Giny, and I just thought of 3 words that started with that each letter, and gregarious. I think I spelled it wrong, but so I didn't write genius, obviously. Gregarious, generous, and genuine. And I was interesting, invasive, and immature. And I did negative Nancy sometimes. Nice and naughty. Y was youthful at heart. Yawn. I'm usually tired. And yarnolicious. That was fun.
So yeah, feel free to restart the video and do the 10-second intervals with us. Feel free to find that on YouTube.
Crafting
but we would
with us.
Absolutely love to get some of your craft things and make this even more of
group.
We're all just hanging out.
Yeah, we are.
I mean, these times most of us talk through phones and screens anyway, so we're family. You're on the other side.
Family.
Craft with
family
me.
and sign language. This is the letter F, and it's a group. Family.
We.
And we was W, same thing, yeah. Or we.
Same.
Same.
So yeah.
Cool beans.
I'm gonna end
cool beans
with this guy.
And
and
he's cute. And cool beans.
See, if you were sitting in your spot, that would you
I
pointed
know.
the right. I don't know. How, literally, she shifts.
I don't know. I don't even feel myself move.
Yeah, I don't know. How
it's just this weird thing. Anyway, love you guys. Enjoy, and we'll do more of these. Actually, in the comments, also let us know if you like this. If you want to do more of this, like group crafting thing. Love you.